This started off as a picture. Canva has a feature that turns your photos into short videos, which works really well for B-roll. Here's a static image inside of Canva. I'm going to click on the image and choose Edit. Under Magic Studio, there is an option called Image to Video. For this, I'm just choosing Smart. We'll talk about Custom shortly. Let's generate a 3-second video. And just to be transparent, this is a Canva Pro feature. The results are subtle, but for B-roll, this usually is enough. If you don't like the result, you can always try again. You'll often get something slightly different each time. Like most AI tools, this works really well on some images and not as well on others. Let's talk about it with a few examples. Image to video works really well on images like this one. It just adds a little life. Things from nature also work well. It feels intentional. And here is another type of photo that works really well too. And check out this wide image to video shot. Before we talk about the cases where this might not work for you, here's how I typically download these videos. I click share and download it as an MP4 and bring it into my video editor. And now it's time to talk about what other people may not tell you about this feature. This doesn't work on photos with faces. If there's a face, it usually just won't generate. It can also be a little unpredictable with images that have text. Sometimes it may add words or change them slightly. You also can't use Canva Pro stock images here. You can use free images inside of Canva or photos that you've uploaded. The helpful part is Canva will usually tell you what's wrong just so that you know what to try in the future. Earlier, I mentioned the custom option. Custom is for when you already have something very specific in mind. You can type in a prompt to guide the motion. And as your creator bestie, I would be remiss if I didn't tell you that what you've got in mind isn't what it always gives you. So there's that. For simple B-roll like this though, I usually just stick with the Smart option. The one last thing that is really important to understand about this feature is that I think, and this is just me guessing, I don't have confirmation on this, but I think that this feature is part of Canva's premium AI tools, which means that there is a limit in how many times you can use it per month. The problem is Canva doesn't exactly define how many that is. So we just never know. But that should not scare you from giving it a try because I've been using it a lot this week and I've not hit that limit yet, but it is a possibility. I do have a video that walks through that and talks a little more about that. When you're ready to see it, I will point to it at the end of this video. But first, a blooper. Canva has a feature that turns your short videos, nope, your creator bestie out. See you in the next video.